This Fluency Waterfall will help you build your confidence and skill responding to everyday questions. You will complete speaking tasks related to 3 everyday topics. The first task is new. Because we haven't practiced it, you'll have 40 seconds to say what you can. The second task we have practiced 1 time. Your practice will allow you to speak more confidently, but with only 30 seconds. Finally, you'll speak for 20 seconds on a task that we have practiced 2 times. Your practice should mean that even with less time, you still communicate in confident, correct, complete, and comprehensible English. We will always encourage you to record yourself during your practice. This way you can review your recording and make a plan for how you want to improve.
What does a typical school day look like for students in your country?
What does a typical birthday celebration look like in your culture?
How do you introduce yourself to new people?
Nice work. Stop your recording. Listen to it or work with a transcription. Take some time to self-assess. How was your confidence? How was the completeness of your response? Was your language correct? Was it comprehensible?